And you also see the importance of books not changing as well, and to have a book that is eternal and unchanging. And we also discuss the different versions of the Bible, which I'm sure if a person picks up a Bible or a book from God, and in the preface it says this has major mistakes, it doesn't sit well with us. So knowing that Quran is the only one of the holy books that's memorized by 6-year-olds, when no one in this world can profess to memorizing the entire Bible, not in a multitude anyway. So yeah, you got 6-year-olds that memorize the entire Quran. And for somebody to then change the Quran, you'd have to take it out of the minds of these 6-year-olds. That's how the Quran was passed on, and logically, that's how it makes sense that, look, this does logically seem to be a holy book that God has preserved, because the other books are subject to change. They were copied. Yeah, we know the early texts of the Bible were copied.
A very strong claim to be the original, authentic. Yeah, that is a...
Because originally the Bibles, they were copied, isn't it? And you know when you...
find an argument.
Yeah.
That's one to find an argument. Yeah.
You know when you write in 2 sentences, they end with the same word, and when you're copying and you've been copying for 4 or 5 hours, and because the 2 sentences end with the same word, when I used to do it in primary school, we'd copy our texts. Sometimes your eye skips a line because both of them end with the same word. So that's actually another argument that people make, that when you're copying something for so many hours, you are surely likely to miss out chunks. If a word is in the middle and 7 words, and with the Quran, it was passed. It was narrated to the Prophet by the archangel, heart to heart. The angel recited it, the Prophet memorized it, and then passed it on. Then it was compiled, but primarily it was memorized. And there's no other holy book that can make that claim.
That's a big shout. Good claim. A very strong claim.
That's a genius.